Good evening, folks. My name is Adrian Bacong, and I'm a student member of the Torrens Health Forum Program Committee and one of the organizers of this evening session. On behalf of the UCLA Fielding School of Public Health, the Torrens Health Forum Planning Committee, the Population Health Advocacy Fellows at UCLA, and the UCLA Students of Color for Public Health, we welcome and thank you for joining us this evening. And also, welcome to our live stream audience at home. I first want to extend a special welcome to Jonathan Fielding, who's in the audience. Deborah Breslow, as well as Jerry and Lorraine Factor, who are passionate about addressing gun violence and provided generous support for the Fielding School of Public Health Advocacy Program, which you saw featured in the slideshow in the foyer. Jerry is also a valued member of the FSPH board. We also want to extend a welcome to Jerry and Lorraine's daughter, Cheryl Factor, as well. So a good thanks to the Factor family. Other folks we would like to give a warm welcome to is Billy Weiss, a Fielding School alumnus who is a Hall of Fame inductee who devoted her career to the epidemiology of violence prevention and has been widely recognized for her work. Among other leadership positions, she has served as Associate Director of the Injury Prevention Research Center at the UCLA Fielding School of Public Health and directed the Injury and Violence Prevention Program at the LA County Department of Public Health. She has pioneered public health research that helps community-based organizations become more effective in preventing violence. I'd also like to extend a welcome to Dean Hansel, an FSPH board member who cares so deeply about addressing gun violence and is a key partner in the Fielding School's efforts on this important and timely issue. We also like to offer a special welcome to audience members here with us in person or joining us via the live stream who have been directly impacted by gun violence. We know that this is a difficult topic, and we thank you for joining us this evening. This event was named in honor of Dr. Torrens, a beloved Professor Emeritus of Health Policy and Management at the UCLA Fielding School of Public Health. For more than 40 years, Dr. Torrens patiently guided, mentored, and advised generations of students, helping many shape distinguished careers in public health. His vision to create a community forum to discuss critical issues in public health inspired this speaker series, which now bears his name. As some of you may know, this week is National Public Health Week. This week, we celebrate public health successes as we continue to address its most pressing challenges, including tonight's issue, the impact of gun violence on our communities. On that note, I ask you to please silence your devices as I introduce this evening's moderator and we begin this evening's program. We are pleased to welcome Dr. Michael Rodriguez to join us as our moderator for this evening. Dr. Rodriguez is a professor and vice chair in the Department of Family Medicine at the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA, professor in the Department of Community Health Sciences at the UCLA Fielding School of Public Health, and co-director of the UCLA Firearm Violence Prevention Center. He also holds leadership roles with a number of centers on campus, as you can see in the program book. Dr. Rodriguez has published widely about ethnic and racial and immigrant health equity, gun and domestic violence prevention, and primary care for immigrant populations. Dr. Rodriguez received his BS in nutrition at the University of California, Berkeley, and his medical degree from the David Geffen School of Medicine here at UCLA, and his Master of Public Health degree at the Johns Hopkins University School of Hygiene and Public Health. In addition, he was a Robert Wood Johnson Clinical Scholar at Stanford University and a professor of family medicine at UCSF. Please help me to welcome Dr. Michael Rodriguez.